This is sand. Can we walk on the sand?
Yep.
Yes, we sure. Wow, you have 3 feet.
Hey,
let's go under here. This is fun.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go under there and check if that's a pool. Whoa! I'm skateboarding. Whoa! I was going down there. I squished another mountain. I'm squishing every mountain. I squished them. Let's go down again. Just hold your phone.
Okay, I will. Whoa. Are your feet getting wet?
Fun. I splash in here, right?
Yep.
Let's go back out.
Okay.
There's some birds coming. Watch out.
Oh, okay.
Come on up, and then we won't get hurt.
Okay.
Look. Would you want it?
Sure. Thank you.
I'm gonna hold your hand.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna walk myself though. Hey, look! Look, I found something. A star.
Oh, wow.